Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you how I braided up my natural hair to look like this. I am sharing with you guys step by step what I did, and actually in my previous video I had this hairstyle but it looked a little different. That hairstyle, it was like a little bit more messier, where this one's a lot more neater, and also I didn't want to spend 3 hours on my hair, so I actually did these ones thicker, a little bit thicker than the other ones. So it completely comes down to preference, but I still really love it, even though it's a little bit thicker. But I do like the way that it looks. It looks a lot neater, and I like the way that this came out too. I think that this is definitely an option. So if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I actually did this look on freshly washed hair. So I did this on hair that I have shampooed and conditioned really thoroughly, so my hair was really clean. I plan on keeping this in for about a week, but we'll see. And I mean, I will show you guys parting and everything. I'll show you how many braids I have and everything at the end of the video for those who want specifics. But this is a really easy hairstyle, and I mean, I know it's even great for the summer, even though we're near the end of summer, but even for, you know, back to school, because it's a really one-day hairstyle, and then you can wear it for like a whole entire week. So I'm first going to share with you guys the products that I used on my hair, and in the video you guys will see this time around I had my mom help me, because I just really, I can't part my hair on my own. It's too long and too thick to really be moving through. I can't part my own hair, especially in the back of my head. And also just my mom knows how to braid. She used to do this hairstyle on me when I was younger, actually, so I wanted it to go a lot faster, so she helped me out. So the products that we used on my hair, so right after the shower my hair was soaking wet, I applied this Uncle Funky's Daughter Extra Butter. I used this last time in the other braids, and when I took my hair down, my hair was so soft. It felt like I had just come out of a deep condition. This stuff is so moisturizing, and if you like to use a moisturizer with your protective styles, which I would highly recommend, I would recommend this one right here from Uncle Funky's Daughter. So it's a really good moisturizer. It's extremely thick, and I love it. I'm obsessed. And this is a new step that I didn't incorporate last time. Was I used a gel this time. That's why these braids are really shiny and like really neat looking. It's because I did it, one, on soaking wet hair, and two, I incorporated a gel. So the gel that I used is the Curly Magic from Uncle Funky's Daughter, and I do have a Amazon link down below where you guys can shop Uncle Funky's Daughter products. Right now I know on their website they're having a 15% off. They didn't pay me to say these or say this or anything. They did send me these products. You guys know I am a brand ambassador for them, but I have literally been obsessed with their products for a very long time. So I will leave all the links down below. I do have these in my Amazon store, so you guys can check them out. And also I just used some black little hair ties from the beauty supply store. And to detangle my hair, I use my flexi brush. You guys know I'm obsessed with this thing. It's the best detangler ever. And then for parting, we used a rat tail comb. I find that is the best way to part my hair. But I also wanted to throw in, I believe I'm going to be talking more in depth about this in my next video, but when I took my braids down, I posted a video of me using this on my Snapchat, and I got a lot of requests. So I will leave the link to this this vibrating massager, scalp massager. I will leave that link down below, but I used this before I braided my hair to really break up the dandruff and make sure my scalp was clean, like 100% clean. So those are the products that I use, and now I'm going to share with you guys exactly how we did my hair, and then I'll come back to you guys so you guys can see the full view of my hair and all the parting, a close-up of the braids and stuff. But if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment box down below, and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so I wanted to speed it up for the sake of you and me, but basically, we parted my hair in half like that and kind of worked in those sections. But this is only because I wanted my mom to help me with the back, and then I was going to do the front. So I had already applied the extra butter, just so you know, throughout all of my hair, just for the sake of going faster. And then so throughout this, my mom's just applying the gel. So she's parting my hair, and we together are working on the braids. So again, here you can just kind of personalize it. You can make the braids bigger, smaller, however you'd like. I think mine are kind of medium, larger size maybe. So down here at the bottom, I did a fat section only because the very bottom of my hair is thinner and those pieces are shorter. So I just personally don't want them to, like, the braids to be really short back there or really thin. So kind of to give this illusion of the braids roughly being around the same size, we did a very thick section at the very bottom of my hair. So my mom, like, she applied some gel and then just going all the way down. So what we kind of both did was, if one side was smaller, we kind of just pulled from the other braids. So like when you do your braids, you have 3 strands. If one of those strands was thicker, we'd kind of, like, when it get to the bottom, we would kind of like give hair to the other sections. I don't know if this makes sense, but I'm sure if you braid, you know what I'm talking about, where you kind of just use hair from the other section to apply it to another section that's smaller, just so that too I can get more length out of the braids. And also I wanted to share, we left the ends out. I just curled them with my fingers. My hair's naturally curly, you guys know, so the ends curled up on their own, and I really like that, how that looks. I also did this hairstyle with twists. If you are curious, I will link that one down below as well. But basically we just kept repeating this step, and I personally did not apply any rubber bands to the root of my hair. 1, because I wanted my hair to be really flexible, and 2, because I don't want any tension on my roots. I know sometimes with these hairstyles you can, like, literally ruin your scalp, and I don't want that. So we kind of just did them tighter at the root, but I didn't apply a rubber band or anything to apply a lot of tension or anything to my roots. So if you're like me, because I have a tender scalp, if you have a tender scalp, this is also a great hairstyle. I also, if you guys can catch, I did throw a twist in there, and that's because that section was really small. But here I am just doing a little section in the front to show you guys, because I ended up having to do the front by myself because my mom bailed on me, but it's okay. Give this video a thumbs up just for my mom, Mrs. Jackson. You guys have seen her before. I'm so thankful that my mom can help me with my hair. Otherwise, this hairstyle, along with many others, would not be possible. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so here is a close-up so you guys can see my parting. It is kind of like medium large, I'd say, but I really do like the way that it came out. I have it tied up in the top, but you can wear it all down if you'd like, totally. So this is just what it looks like so you guys can get a close-up and see, and I'll show you the back of my head. You can see that bottom layer is really thick, but then going up, the sections are a little bit smaller. So you guys can kind of see how it all looks. And the ends, you guys can see what the ends look like, how my hair is just out and curled at the bottom, which I really like. I just really love the way that this came out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.